Hello guys, so on your screen now is my Gray account. So once you have successfully created a Gray account, you'll be seeing something like this, okay? So let me show you the account, okay, like the virtual account will be given. This is the US account, okay? They're giving you bank name, SWIFT code, account number, wire routing number, okay, and bank address, okay? So my euros and pounds account are still pending, okay, but the US account is always instant, okay. And see something here, just see, I want to show you the exchange rate, okay. See, like, let's start with dollar, okay. So when you come over here and tap on $1, okay, $1 is 650 naira over here. But the bank rate, when you start, let me just start here now. I think I'll be giving you bank rate 1 USD to naira. They'll be giving you around the rate of 400 naira, I think. Okay, you can see this is the bank rate here, the official bank rate. Okay, if you want to withdraw to your bank, they'll give you as 415, and compare 415 and 650 to see that it's actually high. And if you compare for euros, I think euros is low 46, I think, because euros is actually jumping. I check for pounds, okay, 768. And what about this platform is, I think you can, yeah, you can buy from them directly. You can buy, but this purpose is for us to withdraw, okay, for us to get account so you can withdraw, because this rate is higher than Aboki in your area, okay. Because you want to meet Aboki in your area to exchange, they can't give you at this dollar rate, this 650 here, okay. They'll have to remove their own code. They might give you at 610, 620, okay. And you might stand chance of getting scammed, whereby Nigeria now scam. So this is the kind of account to be getting, okay. So I'll be showing you step by step how to create this account. So come over to your browser, okay. Come over to gray.co, okay. Gray.co, or you can use the link in the description of the video. Is my referral link. I think if you use it, you will earn some bonus, okay, but it's not compulsory. But if you want to appreciate me doing this video, just use the link there. So click on create account. So enter for create account, you see something like this. Enter your full legal first name, okay. The name must tally with the name on your ID card, okay, to tally on your ID card. So in here, when in some, like, after some minutes, I'll be telling you the kind of card you can use, okay. So don't worry, you won't be restricted from registering on this platform, okay. So first name, okay. I don't want to use the same name I use on that previous account, so I won't have issues. So now it's a random name, okay. So let me see, Roland, okay. And middle name, okay, let me see, Roland Martin. Then surname, let me say David, okay. So your phone number, okay. So let me just put the phone number, okay, okay, okay. So please don't call this phone number, it's not actually mine. No, I'm just putting a random phone number, okay. So email address, okay. Okay, and I think password, you can just put an add password. Okay, let me just use this secretly generated password, okay. So let me use something like this, so I won't stress myself, okay. So okay, let me see updates, okay. Okay, so I have to, like, verify my email address, and I think the email address is no longer on this part here, okay. So let's do this, okay. Let me verify it on my phone here, because it's logging on my phone. So give me some few minutes and to be done, okay. Tap on it, confirm registration, verify email, okay. It's loading, okay. Okay, email verified. So now I can log into my account, okay. I can log into my account now, I think. So tap on login, very easy. So I've come over to my dashboard. So now you have created an account, but you won't have access to the virtual bank account, until you verify. You can see please complete your account verification. The verification takes few minutes. Okay, actually there's two ways you can do it. You can register on their web version here on your PC or use their mobile app. Okay, so but verification is mobile app you use. So there's two ways you can do the verification. So when I was doing mine, okay, so I type on complete verification. Okay, so it will show me two options. Either I should use the app or I should scan the QR code, okay, using my phone. So I think most smartphone nowadays, if you turn on your camera and you scan the QR code, it will show you a link and you direct it to a browser. So either you scan a QR code with your phone and just verify it on your phone there. Like you have to show your face, snap your ID with your phone, okay, then do I think 30 seconds, 10 seconds video selfie, like video you have to turn your head two times, okay. So that's what I usually do. Or you can just tap on email or send a link to your email whereby you will verify your account using the same thing, okay. So I can't be showing you snapping ID and the rest, okay, that's left to you. So they accept all kind of ID, okay. Actually I used my NIN slip to verify my own. That means the paper version, the NIN slip, okay. So for those people that will be asking you NIN slip, so let me just show you NIN slip. That's the paper version, okay. Paper version, or if you have the digital NIN, the plastic version, but I think the paper version will be okay. Something like this, the white version, something like this usually work, okay. I don't think they will approve this like the digital one because your address is won't be showing there. But I think here your address won't be showing here, but it's showing on the paper one. If you can use your national ID card, you can use your voters card, you can use your international passport, driver license. But most of people don't have it. This normal one people have, okay, the national ID slip, so you can use it. So once you are done, within few minutes, okay, you get verified, okay. So yeah, you get verified. Very simple, and you have access to everything on the account just like this, okay. You can't change your details again, so everything will be stored there. And so I should show you something. Come back to security, okay, and try to enable two-factor verification. So anytime you want to log in, anytime you want to log into your account, you have to send an OTP code to your phone, okay, so people can access your account. So when you are done, for you to link your bank account, so anytime you want to withdraw, come over to cards here, okay. So if you want to be buying, like you want to buy dollar or pounds for them, you can add your card here. Oh, okay, I think you can add your card here, okay. But if you want to withdraw, you come over here, when you tap on card and recipient, go back to recipient, you see mobile money bank and tap on bank account. I can see I've already my own bank account here, okay, it's in naira, okay, very easy. So if you tap on balance here, you have to see your various balance, USD, blah blah, okay. So you can swap from one currency to another, you can deposit, okay, but deposit is very higher than buy from selling, just normal, okay. And if I say withdraw, okay, let me go to dollar, okay. So if I say withdraw USD, okay, withdraw to a saved recipient, that means the bank account I saved there. If I tap on it, so something like say, and the minimum you can withdraw is $100, and the maximum you can withdraw, I think at a go is $3,000, okay. And let me show you the limits they usually remove, okay. I think they usually remove a fee. If I put $100, they remove a fee of $5, okay. So I will receive $95, okay. Sorry, it's not here, it's not withdraw. If in this section for withdrawal, maybe you want to withdraw it to a dollar account, okay. But the best is you come over here and switch on convert fund, okay. I think you can confirm a minimum of $150, sorry. So you'll be receiving 32,500, whereby if you are using the 420, okay. So if I come here and tap on $50, okay, and you see the rate they were giving you, collecting 20,762 compared to the rate you be getting here, which is 32,500. can see a big difference. And you are not going to the bank, you're not doing everything right on your phone here. You can just click on continue transaction, tap on convert fund, yes, convert fund, then payment method via bank transfer, okay, USD, okay, select a preferred financial institution. You just select USD, no? Okay, okay, yeah. This is the bank I saved. I think select a preferred that means I think maybe they like this company, they are partner with Zenith Bank. So they have an account with Zenith Bank. So if you want to withdraw or transfer from a Zenith Bank to your account, so it's very easy. When you just transfer, you get this instantly. Very easy and simple to use. Okay. So and I think if you want to get this account, okay, like you see something like request for an account, okay. I don't think you'll be able to see it on this account here. Okay, I think to tend to verify. I think okay. You see something like request USD account. When you tap on it, I don't think because I've not verified. You tap on request USD account and you'll be asked to upload your ID card again, one, and upload your utility bill showing your address. And if you are living in an area whereby your utility bill, the address is not the same as the one on your ID card, you can just print your bank statement maybe a month. It's very easy. You usually receive it every month, okay, or every month as email. You just print your bank statement maybe for the month of within the space of 3 months. Okay, currently we're in July. You can just send them, just download it, save it and screenshot your bank statement. Your name and your address must be showing there and the bank logo, okay. So you will send it to them and within few minutes they'll give you the yes account. And I think the euros and pounds account usually take some time, but if it's taking longer, you can just chat them up over here. It's very easy and they have a good customer service. Okay, so it's very easy. So that's all on creating great account. So if you encounter any issue, you can contact me on via Instagram using the link in the description. My Instagram link is there. Okay, so I will prefer Gray over this Pioneer over here. Some of you might know Pioneer. Okay, you also have dollar, euros, and pounds account. Okay, I think yeah. Let's it. Should it be here? No. Okay, let me see business network. No, get paid. I think yes. Okay, receiving account. Okay, so this is where I will see my dollar. This is my UK account. This is my dollar account. Okay, so I think I only have UK and dollar. I don't have euros yet. So if you want to request for account, there are a lot of accounts you can request for. Okay, so if I click on next, so I can see request for Japan, Canada, Australia, and Singapore. Okay, but just that this Pioneer, if you want to withdraw, they'll give you an official bank rate. Okay, so it's not good. But something good about this is you can link your Grey bank account to your Pioneer. Okay, can just go to bank here. Okay, tap on bank account for withdrawal. Okay, I think I have like two or three that I linked before. Okay, I have three. Okay, so this is actually Nigerian bank, but I inserted USD. So if I withdraw, bank will give me at an higher rate, but it's still the same rate. And anytime you withdrawing, if you are transferring to your normal currency, they won't deduct any fee. But if you are transferring to a USD, they deduct a $10 fee. Okay, so if you used to receive money on your Payoneer, okay, you can just tap on add bank. Okay, I've added maximum of three. Okay, so you just like USD, enter your account name and the rest. Very easy. But I always advise you guys to go for Grey because they are doing a rate higher than the Aboki, okay, in your local place. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please, if you actually enjoy it, and hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I